Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is August 11th, 2024, and we've got some intriguing stories lined up for you. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, a recent investigation by the Wall Street Journal has uncovered some concerning details about Tesla's Autopilot system and its involvement in numerous crashes. The investigation reviewed over 200 incidents and found that the Autopilot system has struggled with navigating obstacles, leading to several accidents where vehicles either veered off the road or collided with emergency vehicles. Both Tesla and the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, have been accused of withholding crucial information about these crashes, citing confidentiality and privacy laws. Tesla claims the data is considered confidential business information, while the NHTSA has stated its obligation to protect personal privacy under federal law. The report suggests that many of these accidents could have been avoided, as vehicles with autopilot engaged have been known to hit clearly visible obstacles. Critics argue that Tesla's marketing of autopilot may mislead consumers about its capabilities, emphasizing the need for clearer communication regarding the system's limitations. In another story, a fire in Tijuana, Mexico, was caused by an illegal attempt to charge a Tesla Model S from a public electricity pole. The incident resulted in significant damage to the vehicle and an adjacent house in the Lázaro Cárdenas neighborhood. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. Fire Department Coordinator Arturo Sanchez noted that this was the first time they had encountered a Tesla fire, which posed unique challenges due to the vehicle's battery and its connection to high-voltage electricity. The unauthorized connection, known locally as a diablito or little devil, is a common method of electricity theft in Mexico, often leading to dangerous situations like overloaded circuits and fires. Despite the availability of charging stations in Tijuana, the owner, reportedly an American tourist, opted for the illegal hookup, raising questions about their decision. The fire was contained quickly, preventing further damage to nearby homes, and the uninhabited house that caught fire was spared from extensive destruction. Sanchez emphasized the importance of training firefighters to handle electric vehicle fires, as they require a large amount of water to extinguish. This incident also highlights ongoing issues with electricity theft in Mexico, which costs the Federal Electricity Commission approximately $2.5 billion annually. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered today. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on everything Tesla. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.